Hello friends, today I'll be sharing a very interesting update with you as to how you can install Amazon Prime. However, there is always a downside to any application which is installed from an external source which is not official. So for installing Amazon Prime, first you need to do is to install Aptoid Store here. If you do not have Aptoid Store, simply do a Google search, install the APK into your USB drive, and then finally onto MITV here. So once we have the Aptoid Store, okay, we have Aptoid TV over here. Now, once you install Aptoid TV, just simply click on search and type Amazon Prime or whatever you feel like. If you just click Prime, you will get option to select Amazon Prime Video over here. Okay, now once you select the Amazon Prime Video over here, you will see several options. The first is the Amazon Instant Video. The second is the Prime Video, and the third is the Amazon Video. You can also see another option, which is Amazon Prime Video version 2.7. Okay, now what are basically these versions are? I'm going to explain you a little. The Amazon Instant Video is actually an Android based version. It's not Android TV based. Prime Video is actually a complete Android TV version, and the same goes for the Amazon Video. Over here we again have the Android mobile version over here. Now ideally speaking, we should be getting Prime Video, which is for Android TV, and once you go over here and you see it says Prime Video Android TV, and it shows the beautiful interface over here. So let me just click on it and show you the page. This is actually the version which we should be looking for. Unfortunately, this version doesn't work. If you click on other versions, you will see several other versions over here. So right from 4.3.14 released on 28th March 2019 to the latest one, 24th April 2019 version. Unfortunately, none of them work. I have checked all of them individually to ensure that if any application of this is working, because this is capable of giving us 1080p or even 4K resolution, but unfortunately none of them work. Two versions are actually working, but only audio is working. So even if you click on the forward or rewind button, you can see the images, the video snippet over there. But the moment you click on it, it still goes to the blank page, and only you can see the blank screen completely with audio on. So unfortunately that is no use to us. So what we are going to do is just simply go back, and this time we are going to click on Amazon Instant Video. Okay, now over here we have several versions once again. As you see, you click on other versions, and then you have huge lot of versions released by Amazon. And though I have checked some of them, not all, but what you need to do is to install the version 3.0.246.15341. It is only 26.7 MB in size, and the update was released on 25th April 2019. Okay, since I have already installed it, I'm just going to click on it, and you can see it's going to give me the option to open, whereas yours should say install. So just simply hit open over here, and I'm already logged into my account, I must say, here. Now the interface is quite nice, and I was really surprised to see that MITV remote is working very well with it. Not to 100% extent, but yes, you can select the videos, and you can scroll down, and it works. So let me just click on any movie. Let me select let's see Rampage. So the moment you click on it, you will be greeted with an interface like this. It is not exactly what we see in the Android mobile interface, where we also see the option of checking the trailer before watching the movie. Okay, over here we can see the movie name, and then we can also see related stuff and more details. But yes, we'll go directly to watch now option, and we just simply click on it. Now you will see the video has started playing straight away. Now unfortunately, as to why I said initially that there is always a downside of installing any app from an external source, is that this Amazon Prime version does not support 720p, 1080p, and forget about 4K. It is only an SD version, and I'm not too sure. I think it's either 540p or even it's less than that. But it's good for those who have less bandwidth, and they can actually enjoy it. So I'm going to show you that this version does not crash, nothing of that sort. So just going to hit the rewind forward button. Over here, you need to use an external mouse, as Amazon remote does not support this function, unfortunately. So you have to be quite precise about where you are hitting it. So let me see it, if I'm able to do it. Here. Just to show you that the function is working just fine, and you can actually rewind forward, and yes, it's 41 minutes. You can see it's playing just fine. There is no stuttering. Let me lower down the volume here. Okay. So due to copyright issue, I will not be able to show it any further, but I would like to assure you that this version works absolutely fine with the SD version. You click on related, or you go over more details, and you will see the more options over here. Again, I'm going to play one more movie just to ensure that everything is working just fine. So let's go back to the home screen, and this time let's see, what do we have. Okay, let's play MI4. Again, we go back to the same watch now function. Now over here you can see that you have multiple options also. We have best, better, good, and data saver. So you have watch on option, you have share, you have add to watch list. I'm going to share just a watch on option with you also, but right now I'm going to just click on watch now, so that you can see that video is playing just fine here. Now interesting thing, when you press the option button on MITV, okay, you will be greeted with this where you can select the audio, subtitles, and watch from beginning. Unfortunately, audio is not supported as of now. You just click on subtitles, and then you can see that we have several options, like we have Hindi, and you can select the size also. So let me just show you the subtitle screen. We have Hindi, English, and we have English CC. So we just click on Hindi, and we hit back. You can see the movie has started playing. Okay, so I will again try my best to just forward it a bit. Why I'm saying try my best, because it's still difficult even for an external mouse to detect exactly where it has to hit here. So finally we are here, and you can see it's working just fine. Again, I'm now stopping this over here, going back to the screen. Now I want to show you the cast function over here, which we have very interesting function, I would say. So let's go back and let me just cast this movie on my Fire TV. So we'll go to Mama, and here we have the option of casting watch on. As you can see, I can just simply cast it to my Fire Stick. It started playing over here. It's just showing, and let me just switch my video source to Fire Stick. Here, and now you can see the movie has actually started playing over here. There is a huge quality difference, friend. This one is most probably 1080p, whereas over there on the version which I have just shared with you is only capable of displaying up to either 480p or even less than that, or maybe 546. No, I don't think so 546, because 546 is a higher quality. So this is how you can install Amazon Prime. We hope that we get the official version of Amazon Prime soon on all MITV, and but still this is good to see that this app is now compatible with the first generation MITV. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.